it will be tripped.
I'll stop feeding oil towards the second state separator and the loss.
Yeah, it will be tripped. It's not like that when you reach this LSAL alarm, there will be some time before it trips. No, it is at the same time will trip it.
Correct.
This is not a pre-alarm. This is alarm when that
This is part of the same
part
function.
of the
Same function.
yeah.
Yeah. So here, what is the action? Operator needs to investigate the low level in the first stage separator and take the suitable action to restart up. To restart.
Correct.
Yes. Yes.
Right. This is for the restarting.
Correct. And operator has got 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Guru, you are here? Guru?
Yes, Chairman. Yes.
Okay. So this is the ESD function, right? ESD and safety function.
Yeah.
Because we have tripped. Now, if operator doesn't take action in given time, what is the likelihood and severity? So likelihood, if you see here, likelihood of this scenario, I would say this one, either B or C. So most of the time, I would say that in this case, we can go for B, right? Has occurred, but not in network. It is not correct right scenario. I think this will be the C, correct?
It's good that it has occurred at least once in the group company.
Yes, so we'll put C, right? Guys, what is your opinion?
Chairman, what about the others? What do we take? I think it's B, right?
Yeah, this I mean.
For other alarms.
Yeah, for the alarms.
I mean, yes, this is a triple alarm. Like for the bar one, it's also B.
B. Okay. So we are going for B. For consequence and severity, if this is already a trip function, operator has to take action. So in this case, if operator doesn't take action, I would say this is notable or minor.
I think we consider the 2B in here, right?
2B. So for this case, we are going to consider 2B only, right? So standard approach.
Yes, yes.
2B. B is a medium.
Minor, medium.
A medium. And we have got more than 30 minutes, not urgent, right? So medium with not urgent is what? Medium.
It's P3.
P3.
Yeah.
Guru?
Yeah.
I want to take the opinion from Guru.